Hi everyone, my name is Ana Paula. I am a physical therapist and today I am going to guide you through a short daily full body mobility routine. This routine is designed to keep your joints healthy, reduce stiffness, and help your body move better throughout the day. You don't need any equipment and it's suitable for all levels. Let's move with control, breathe deeply, and focus on quality over quantity. Let's start. This first exercise, you're gonna lay on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Let your arms relax by your side or place your hands on your ribs. Inhale slowly through your nose and feel your ribs expand sideways. Exhale fully through your mouth and allow your body to relax in the floor. This exercise focuses on diaphragmatic breathing, allowing the rib cage, diaphragm, and deep core muscles to work together. Proper breathing helps regulate the nervous system, reduce muscle tension, and prepare your body for movement. This is an excellent way to start your mobility routine. You're going to do it 5 to 8 times. So here you see how I inhale. And then I exhale slowly. And then again, breathe in and breathe out. Repeat, breathe in. Take all your air out of your lungs. Again, inhale. And slowly exhale. Feel the movement in your hands. And try to relax. Perfect. The second exercise is called cat-cow. Coming to a hands and knees position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, gently arch your spine, lifting your chest and tailbone. As you exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. This movement mobilizes the entire spine, including the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar regions. Cat-cow improves spinal flexibility, promotes circulation to the spinal joints, and helps reduce stiffness caused by prolonged sitting. Come on, do it with me again. Let's breathe in and then exhale. Perfect. You can do this exercise again from 5 to 8 times. I am doing it in this video about 7 or 8 times, so you can do it with me all the way. Perfect. Inhale. Amazing. Feel all your spine movement. Exhale. Perfect. Again, inhale. Perfect, and then exhale. Amazing. Perfect. Good job. This third exercise is called cervical mobility. Sit or stand tall with your spine upright and your shoulders relaxed. Gently tilt your head to one side and return to center. Then slowly rotate your head from side to side, staying relaxed and controlled. This exercise targets the cervical spine and the muscle that supports the neck. Improving neck mobility helps reduce tension, improve posture, and decrease the risk of neck pain and headaches. Do it again with me, from one side to another. We're going to do it from 5 to 8 times each side. Perfect. Rotate to the other side. Amazing. Try to maintain a good posture. Perfect. To the other side. Again. Great. One more time. Great. Perfect. Amazing. Perfect. Exercise number 4. Shoulder rotation. Stand tall and extend one arm in front of you. Keep your elbows straight and your core gently engaged. Slowly move your arm around in a controlled circular motion. Use the largest pain-free range you have. This exercise moves your shoulder joint through flexion, extension, internal rotation, and external rotation. Shoulder rotations help maintain joint health, improve shoulder control, and support long-term shoulder stability. Come on, do it with me. Remember, we're going to do it one side, then the other. And then we switch and do it the other way around. Perfect. Great. Now we're going to switch the shoulder. And we're going to start 1. Perfect. 2. Great. 3. 4. Amazing. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Perfect. This next exercise is called thoracic rotation. Stay on your hands and knees and place one hand behind your head. Rotate your chest upward towards the ceiling while keeping your hips still. Then slowly rotate back. Perfect, with control. This movement targets the thoracic spine, which is the upper and mid back. Thoracic mobility is essential for good posture, efficient breathing, and healthy shoulder and neck movement. This is perfect, and remember, everyone has a different range of motion, so don't worry about it. We can start making bigger range of motion with time. Great, again. Perfect. Amazing. Perfect. And now we're going to switch sides. Very well. Your hand and your neck. Again, down and up. Again, you can see I'm showing you different ranges of motions here. Okay. Perfect. Okay. We're down, I think, to 5. 6. Remember, we can do from 5 to 10 movements of each exercise, depending on your time and depending on your range of motion and your pain. But go slowly. You can start with 5 each exercise. Great. Perfect. One more. Amazing. Well done. Perfect. This next exercise is hip mobility. Sit on the floor with both knees bent at 90 degrees and your chest upright. Slowly rotate both knees to one side, then return through the center and rotate to the other side. This exercise focuses on hip internal and external rotation. Healthy hip mobility is important for walking, running, squatting, and protecting the lower back from excessive strain. So important exercise. Perfect. So we're gonna do like 5 to 8 times each side. Great. Amazing. You're gonna be amazed of how stiff your hips are. Perfect. Mine are, so I need to work on that. Great. Perfect. Amazing. Good job. Perfect. This next exercise is low lunge with hip mobility. Step one foot forward into a low lunge position. Then, your back knee resting on the floor and your torso upright. Gently shift your hips forward while keeping your spine neutral and your ribs stacked over your pelvis. This movement stretches the hip flexor muscles and mobilizes the hip joint. Improving hip flexor mobility helps reduce lower back tension and supports better posture and movement mechanics. Perfect. And now, one more. Yeah. Perfect. Again. And go back. For the other side, I'm going to use a small blanket to put beneath my knee in case you have some pain. So, let's do it again, but with the other leg. You go down and go back. 1. Again. Perfect. 2. Again. Yes. 3. Amazing. And then go 4. Okay. And 5. Yes. And 6. Okay. Perfect. Good job. All right. The next exercise is ankle mobility, called knee to wall. Place one foot forward and keep your heel flat on the ground. Slowly bend your knee forward over your toes. Then return to the starting position with control. This exercise improves ankle dorsiflexion, which is the ability of the ankle to bend forward. Because good ankle mobility is essential for walking, squatting, running, and overall lower body movement efficiency. So it's really important. Perfect. Keep on with me. Great. And let's do this a couple of more times. Perfect. Good job. And now we're going to switch sides. Good job. We're going to place ourselves in a good position. And then we start. 2, 3. You can see how I have less mobility with one leg than the other. And that's normal. So we need to work more on this leg. 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Good job. Okay, the next exercise, it's assisted deep squat. Stand on your feet about shoulder width apart and hold on to stable support if needed. Lower yourself into a deep squat, keeping your heels on the ground and your chest upright. Gently shift your weight from side to side and breathe deeply. You can see in the video, you can be holding into a wall or you can be having help from a chair or anything that you need. This position combines mobility of the hips, ankles, and the spine. Deep squats help improve joint range of motion, posture, and overall lower body function. It's one of the best exercises there is. Good job. From one side to the other. Good job. Amazing. The last exercise, full body integration. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart and your arms relaxed. Begin to move your body freely, creating smooth and gentle movements with your arms, hips, and spine. This exercise integrates all the joints and movement patterns used during the session. Full body integration helps improve coordination, body awareness, and prepares your body for daily activities. So here you can go crazy. Just try to move every joint and every muscle in your body. I love this exercise and I love waking up to it. This full body mobility routine is designed to be done daily. Move slowly, stay pain-free, and focus on quality over intensity. Consistent movement is key to keeping your joints healthy and your body moving well. Please do this again tomorrow and see the huge difference in your body. I will see you in my next video. Bye!